Hello! Today I'm making this amazing sheet pan sticky chicken and veggie dinner. Here are the simple ingredients that you'll need, which I also have listed down below. I start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. And into my bowl, I take a half a cup of apricot preserves, a fourth a cup of barbecue sauce, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a packet of onion soup mix. I stir it all together until it's completely combined. I slice up 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs into small pieces just like this. I add it to the sauce and I get it completely coated. I put it on my lightly sprayed tinfoil lined sheet pan, along with 1 bag of California style veggies. I drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil all over the veggies with some salt and pepper. I bake it for 50 minutes. When it's done, it's pure perfection. I like to serve mine over some rice. I sprinkle over just a little bit of parsley. This is such an easy, delicious sheet pan dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you on my next video.